Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys doing wonderful. In this video is for people who grow banana and never able to get a harvest, never able to get their banana to shoot. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly, step by step, how you can get your banana to shoot. Let's go. I'm going to do a demonstration on this banana plant here. And I'm going to show you how I get this banana to shoot. Check this out. In the fall, before the frost, you come out in your garden and you try to overwinter your plants, your banana plant. How would you overwinter your plant? People use a lot of different ideas, don't know about the result, but this result actually works 100%. In this zone, I never saw a banana tree produce this early. This banana tree produced in April. So because it start producing in April, it gave us the opportunity to able to get a harvest that they could actually ripe. I'm going to show you now how and what I did to make sure I able to get my banana plant produce. Now, this is the banana tree. So when you come out in the fall, the leaf them start dropping, but the frost, you have to do this before the frost. So whatever zone you in, if you're in zone 8, zone 8B, zone 9, this zone, who knows, maybe in 7, you might just be at the right place now, watching to see step by step what you need to do. Now, if you in overwinter this banana plant, what's gonna happen is gonna dry right down to the ground over the winter. It's gonna dry right down, and then it's gonna start back as a new plant in the spring. If you allow it to dry right down to the ground, it's gonna start as a baby. You see what I'm coming from? So when it starts from a baby, it's not getting enough time to able to produce during the season. So if you overwinter it this way, you stand a chance. Well, okay, I'm gonna show you what I did, and I'm gonna show you more demonstration in this area when I finish. So when we come out in the fall, what we do? These are good compost, by the way. When we come out in the fall, what we do, right? We come and we do this. If I can make this a little bigger. Okay, look what we do. We come in the fall and we cut it. We cut the top of the banana plant. This is what we do. What we do next? What's going on? What we're gonna do, we're gonna use these leaves and pack them around the root, so it's gonna make it warmer for the plant. Now what we do now, we take a black plastic bag. This is the banana plant right here that we now cut off. What we do, we take a black plastic bag and we put it over it. We cover it over. And you tie it down to the bottom, and you leave it just like that over the winter. In the spring, you remove it when the weather starts changing. What's gonna start happening is it's gonna continue from here, growing up instead of as a new plant. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, as you see, this is the banana plant, and you see we use a black plastic bag and we cover the banana plant. This plastic bag is gonna prevent the coldness, because you don't want the coldness go down. Let me show you something. You see this? You don't want the coldness penetrate, go down, because if the coldness penetrate and go down, what gonna happen? This whole plant gonna dry down, just like this one. You see this one? It's gonna dry right down like this one, and then you're gonna start to see new ones coming up. Now you want this to continue. You don't want to dry it down, so you make sure you cover it like this. You cover it and you tie the bottom and you just leave it right there until the spring. Now let me show you the result from what I'm talking about. I did this one, right? You could see where I cut it right here. Right here is where I cut it, and I put the plastic bag over it, just like what I did with this one. And then in the spring, I remove the plastic bag, and then it starts sprouting. When I do look, I see it starts sprouting. This is in zone 8, guys. This is in zone 8. You can't get your banana to fruit in zone 8. You just need to follow this step. This step is 100%. It works 100%. So as you see, our banana is producing in zone 8. So do you see what I'm saying, guys? So it's important to use a black plastic bag. A black plastic bag, pull it down around the banana and tie it to the end. This is exactly what I did with this one, and it actually produced. Look at the body. The body cut shows you. This was the old body from last year. From right there, you could see the new growth for this season. So once you're able to keep the life and protect this body, once you're able to do that, you will able to allow the plant to continue its growth instead of drying down like this and start over. When a banana plant start over like this, it cannot produce for you because it's not enough time. It's not enough time, so it will not produce for you. So you have to overwinter it, and I give you the secret to overwinter banana plant, and this secret actually works 100%. It works 100%, guys. So basically what I'm gonna do now, when you cut off the top of the banana, is important. All you gotta do, you take these, you cut them and you place them around the banana root, which gonna help keep it warm. These banana is cold hardy. They comes back every year. But if you want them to produce, you have to follow the step that I show you. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.